I'm a product development engineer.
I'm an electrical engineer.
I manage the engineering team in our R&D department. Been with Nu Skin for about 10 years now, and about 4 years ago we started up an engineering team with myself, and over the past few years grown to about 7 engineers. And our needs have been changing over the past few years. We've gone from a directory-based system where all our files are on directories and people's computers and so forth. And over the past few months realized we needed to have a better system or a data vault for our engineering files.
With our manufacturers and our engineers that we work with here at Nu Skin, we don't do a lot of our things in-house. We work with these partners to develop our products to try and meet our customers' needs the best. In doing so, we use a lot of different programs with our different partners, and in order to do so effectively, we've needed to come up with a system that'll help us manage our data in a simple and easy way to access things.
So when looking at a different type of data management solution, it was kind of tough. I personally am an electrical engineer. I don't do a lot of SOLIDWORks, but a number of engineers on our team do, and we have a lot of SOLIDWORks data from past projects with the engineering firms that we've worked with. And so looking for a management solution that not only had the capability of working with SOLIDWORks, but also for engineers like me that were not familiar with SOLIDWORks, that would provide some utility. So we looked for something that had the different versioning control, revision control, project management control as being a big aspect of what we do here at Nu Skin. So the SOLIDWORKS Manage provided a lot of solutions, not only on the actual file-to-file basis, but also the broad scope of project management and file management for all of our data.
We needed a data vault that we could put all our data into and manage those revisions and versions of all the different files. But more importantly, we needed something that would give us a good relationship database on our files, and also start tying in with the project and how the projects were going with our milestones and our goals and our timelines and resources.
When we recently launched our LumiSpa Accent product, I was in charge of compiling our BOM and engineering specification for our manufacturer so that they would know exactly what we wanted to do. In doing so, I had to go back through all of our files and individually move one at a time each file into that engineering specification. With Manage, now we have the ability to simply compile the BOM as we go, and everything updates as we make new revisions and versions, and it's really easy to have it already there at the end for us, and we don't have to go back in and find our old files.
I think one of the great parts about the SOLIDWORKS Manage is its wide range of things that it does for an engineering department. It not only maintains the files, the revisions and the versions of those files, but allows us to manage a team of engineers with timelines, goals, and tasks to be completed by the engineering team. This allows me a better choice as far as being able to manage my team here and allow them to manage the data that is our end product. If you really think about what an engineering team, what our product is, it's our documentation package that allows our manufacturer to build our product. And having all that controlled in a good environment where things don't get lost, inadvertently revised, is very key to maintaining that engineering package.
When working with GoEngineer to implement SOLIDWORKS Manage, we did it in steps. First, we implemented a BOM and change process. We did this and then went back and tested it. I would keep track of the things I was doing and send out an email to them that day, and they would answer my questions right away. Then after that, we would implement the next stage and sort of repeat the process. And it was really great for me to be able to work with someone that was so responsive.
One of the really amazing things and exciting things that we're looking forward to with this new system is the project management side. to be able to not only look at the project from a schedule standpoint on a holistic view with all the different stages and stage gates, but also be able to take this new system and actually tie files to those stages is really exciting to be able to have a holistic view of the whole project.
After implementing SOLIDWORKS Manage, we're able to find all the files that we want at one convenient location. We're able to manage our projects and keep track of our projects within the system. It's delivering everything that we expect in the system, and we're happy to have implemented it here at NewScan.